In this video, we're going to go over some of our point, line, and planes postulates. So there are several things that we know about points, lines, and planes and their interactions together in these postulates. So the first one is the 2-point postulate. And the 2-point postulate tells us that through any 2 points, there's exactly one line. So if I have points A and point B, then I automatically know that there is a line that goes through them, and there is only one line. Let's call that line L. So through any 2 points, there is exactly one line that can go through them. I can't draw multiple lines through this. It's just going to end up being that same line L. And then on the flip side of that, we can move that, just go backwards on that, and that says that a line contains at least 2 points. So if I have a line, then I know that there is at least 2 points on that line, if not more. And then we have the line intersection postulate, and that says if 2 lines intersect, then their intersection is exactly 1 point. So if I have, again, line L, and let's say I had line N, then their intersection is exactly 1 point, and let's call that point C. And then the 3-point postulate and the plane point postulate work together again. They kind of go in reverse of each other. And so the 3-point postulate tells us that through any 3 non-collinear points, so points that are not on the same line, there exists exactly 1 plane. So we see that here. I have points D, E, and F. Through those 3 points D, E, and F, there's exactly 1 plane R. And then on the flip side of that, a plane contains at least 3 non-collinear points. So if we have a plane, we know there's at least 3 non-collinear points in it. And then my last 2 postulates are the plane line postulate, and that says if 2 points lie on the same plane, then the line containing them lies in the plane. So here we see that we have points E and D, and I know from my 2-point postulate there exists exactly 1 line between those that goes through those 2 points. Well, this postulate is telling us that that line lies in that plane. And then this last one, the plane intersection postulate, that tells us if 2 planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. And so we see that here I have 2 planes, and their intersection here is line L.